Right, now I'll show you the exterior design of the Leapmotor C10. As you can see from the front, I actually pretty much like the styling. It is sort of very basic all round, but it sort of, has a few different inspirations from different cars. As you can see, the front lights, the LED matrix lights, they're really good. But you also see the light bar that goes across the front, which is kind of ode to like the VW ID models, which I actually really like. I had the ID3 and it was a perfect thing for it. You've also got these vents. They're actually real vents. This is obviously to help with the aerodynamic coefficient of the car, but it's good to see that that's actually real. If you want to come around and have a look at the wheels, we've actually surprisingly got alloy wheels, 20-inch alloy wheels. I really like the silver color to them as well. When I had my other EV, it's steel wheels, it's wheel trims, just to sort of keep that aerodynamic coefficient going properly. I don't know what the effect it has on the range, but it doesn't seem to be that much at all. As you can see, we've got the side camera, and you've got a camera under here as well. You can see this little notch here. This is how you open the car. You are given one key, which is slightly frustrating, because if you've got a cage or if you've got anything else, you've got to walk all the way around here, tap this, and then you've got to walk all the way back around and put your kid in the car. It does have the app, it does have a few hitches, but it is way better than using the card. But you will need the card to start the car, so you'll always have to have this anyway, so it is a bit annoying. As you can see, you've got the door handle, symbol to open, press this in and pull it. Your guests in your car are going to struggle to start with, but they'll get used to it. You know what? I really like the free paint on this car. It's pearl glazed green, which is massively surprising because most cars come in white as the standard color, but you actually have to pay extra to get white, gray and black. But this color I actually really like, and this is the cheapest paint that you can get, so why wouldn't you get that? We're going to have a look at the back of the car now, which I kind of think looks a bit like a Volkswagen Tiguan and maybe a Porsche Macan. There's a little bit of Range Rover vibes going on here, but not as much as the JQ. You've got your tailgate button here to automatically open it, which is fantastic. And as you can see, it's clean enough to fit your golf clubs in, so nobody's going to worry about that. If it's more family orientated, you're going to fit a pram in there fine. You're going to fit massive bags for life in there. You could probably fit about 10 in there if you really tried. If we want to close this, it's just up here. There's no sensor, but there's buttons, and you can also open with the app, so that's pretty good. You can also set the height of the tailgate, which is pretty cool. I don't know what I'd kind of use that for, but it is there if you want to use it. We'll walk around and have a look at the charging port, but I'll have to go and unlock the car, so I'll have to go all the way over here and unlock the car again. Right, so it's just like a normal petrol cap. You open it like this. It's on the left-hand side. You've got your AC charging, which is typically what you plug into your house, but also you've got the DC charging, which is for your public charger. Right, so if you move around the side as well, you've got another camera here. You've got camera here, but it's on the front. It's completely covered by cameras. You'll see in the interior video, there's a lot of tech. There's a lot of, you're never going to park this wrong. But in the next video, we're going to go through the interior of the car, which is actually surprisingly nice. So tune in for that.